Okay guys, let's have a look at question 4 then. Find B. We've got A is 2.5, so we know A. C is 3.4 and A is 27 degrees. There we are. So we have got 3 of any 4, haven't we, so to speak? Because we've got this arrangement, haven't we, as usual. So we can find C. Once we know C, we can add up to 180 to get B, can't we? Which is where we're going. So let's do that then. A over sine A is C over sine C. So let's put that in then. Great. So it's 2.5 is A over sine A, sine 27, equals C over sine C. C is 3.4 over sine C, which we don't know. Now rearrange this then, move the sine C up to the top on the left hand side, leave the 3.4 where it is, times by, move the sine 27 up to times on that side from divide on the other. Similarly, move the 2.5 from times on that side to divide on the other. I've written it down from right to left, so I've got sine C, and then I can do shift sine. 3.4 sine 27 degrees over 2.5, yeah? So what we got then, let's tap that in the calculator. So C equals then, shift sine, 3.4 times sine 27 degrees, close bracket, divided by 2.5 and close the shift sign bracket is now, equals 38.13, see it, to 2dp, 38.13 degrees. Okay, so that's that. Now, that's C, but we did a shift sign, and remember when we do shift sign of a positive quantity, and we worked that out, this is positive, we use the cast rule, don't we, remember? So CAST, sine is positive here and here. So within 0 to 180, not only will 38.13 come out, won't it? We'll also have the one there, which is another possibility, which is 180 minus 38.13. So we've got to check whether that also can be a possibility. So let's just tap that in the calculator. 180 minus 38.13 equals 141.87. Okay, 141.87. Now the point is, if that is a possibility, well, what does the 27? Because the 27 and the 141.87 don't add up to 180, that is a possibility, isn't it, for C? Because those two don't make an angle bigger than 180, so we can allow that possibility this time. 141.87, so we need to put that down. So there's our two possibilities. So now we need to find B. So in each of these instances, we'll get a solution, won't we? B is equal to 180. Take the 27, and then take the 38.13. Or B equals 180, take the 27, and then take the 141.87. Okay, so let's just tap these two out then. So the first one, 180, take away 27, take away 38.13 equals 114.87. So 114.87 degrees. There we are. But the other possibility, which we need to have allowed for, was if we, let's just delete that. Instead of 38.13, we take away 141.87. 141.87. And we get 11.13 degrees. There we go. So we got our two answers then, haven't we? So B has these two possible solutions. Do you remember what we said? Why that happened in this case? Because when we did shift sign of a positive quantity, we knew that the solutions were from 0 to 180 for this shift sign. In the previous section where you write cast, 0 to 180 would arise, there were two possible solutions would arise. The 38.13, which was here, and then the 180 minus that, which is 141.87, which is there. Now, because that angle and 27 is still less than 180, that also is a possibility. So carry that forward then and just check that B is okay. In the first instance, B is that angle, which is fine. In the second instance, as we suspected, B is also fine. So if this came out negative, it would basically say that that wasn't the solution as well. That's another way just to follow it through. Okay then, so there's the two solutions, and that's question 4 done. Good. Let's go on to the next one.